Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet 1500 Sierra Classic, $3,200, Lubbock, Texas. This 1984 Chevrolet Sierra Classic is an appealing square-body project truck offered at an affordable price. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8 paired with the desirable 700R4 automatic transmission, it represents one of General Motors' most popular truck combinations of the era. The truck has reportedly been parked since 2006, making it a candidate for recommissioning, rather than immediate daily use. A major bonus is the included 1992 Corvette-sourced engine with approximately 30,000 miles, complete with its computer and mounted on an engine stand. The solid body, original seat in good condition, and front tow bar setup further enhance its value. For enthusiasts seeking a square-body Chevrolet with extra parts and future performance potential, this Texas truck offers a strong foundation. Number 2. 1973 Ford F-250, $2,800, Palmdale, California. This 1973 Ford F-250 is a practical and affordable classic work truck powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering and power brakes, it offers a more comfortable driving experience than many trucks of its era. The seller reports that it runs, making it a usable project from day one. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, radiator, and distributor. Additional spare doors and fenders are included, which adds value for restoration-minded buyers. While the truck has some fluid leaks, the combination of a clean title, running condition, and included parts makes it an attractive entry-level classic Ford pickup. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $9,500, Carterville, Missouri. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed stands out thanks to its rust-free body and eye-catching 10-foot chameleon paint finish. One of the final years of the legendary square body generation, the truck combines classic styling with a reputation for durability and ease of maintenance. The odometer shows just 5,800 miles, although actual mileage is likely higher. The truck reportedly runs and drives exceptionally well, while the interior remains in excellent condition. Minor hail damage is noted, but overall this appears to be a well-preserved and highly presentable classic pickup that could serve as a show truck or weekend cruiser. Number 4. 1966 GMC 1/2-ton short wheelbase, $12,900, Cresswell, Oregon. This 1966 GMC short wheelbase pickup is one of the most desirable body styles from General Motors' mid-1960s truck lineup. Powered by its original style V6 engine and backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers the unique character that GMC V6-powered trucks are known for. The truck benefits from power steering, new tires, and numerous new mechanical components, including brake-related upgrades. Running and driving examples of short wheelbase GMC trucks continue to gain popularity among collectors because of their rarity compared to Chevrolet counterparts. This truck offers vintage style with practical usability. Number 5. 1963 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $12,000, Napa County, California. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 represents a creative blend of classic styling and modern performance. The truck features a fuel-injected 350 cubic inch LT1 V8 engine paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission and rides on a 1995 Chevrolet chassis. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes and a lowered stance, creating a dependable and enjoyable cruiser. Marketed as a rat rod-style show truck, it offers modern drivability while maintaining the timeless appearance of Chevrolet's first-generation C10 series. The inclusion of black and yellow California license plates adds extra nostalgia and visual appeal. Number 6. 1996 Dodge Dakota 3.9 Magnum, $700. Liberty, Missouri. Although technically newer than most trucks on this list, this 1996 Dodge Dakota presents excellent value as a parts vehicle. The truck suffered front passenger side collision damage severe enough to bend the frame, resulting in a parts-only title. Despite the damage, many components remain valuable, including the driver's side body panels, interior, windows, tailgate, electrical accessories, and the well-maintained 3.9-liter Magnum V6 engine. For Dakota owners seeking spare parts, the asking price makes this truck a potentially worthwhile purchase. Number 7. 1967 Chevrolet C10 short bed stepside, $13,000, Southern Oregon. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 stepside combines classic styling with thoughtful upgrades. Powered by an inline-6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it retains the simplicity and reliability that made these trucks popular for decades. The truck features updated wiring, a relocated fuel tank mounted under the bed, an electric fuel pump, aluminum radiator, and electric cooling fan. New front fenders, inner tubs, rocker panels, and radiator support have already been installed. The iconic stepside body style remains one of the most collectible Chevrolet truck configurations, and this example appears well positioned for continued restoration or immediate enjoyment. Number 8. 1956 Studebaker half-ton pickup project, $3,850, Prineville, Oregon. This 1956 Studebaker pickup is an intriguing restoration candidate featuring a remarkably straight and rust-free body. Studebaker trucks have become increasingly appreciated among collectors due to their unique styling and lower production numbers compared to Ford and Chevrolet competitors. The truck has already received new brakes and shocks, and the frame has been repainted. Included are numerous parts, a new windshield, and a front seat. While the vehicle currently lacks a transmission and requires completion, it offers an excellent starting point for a custom V8-powered build or faithful restoration. Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet C10 stepside short bed, $4,800. Shingle Springs, California. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 stepside is an attractive restoration project with several desirable features. The truck retains its original black California license plates and includes a clean title with non-operational registration status. Although it does not currently run, the seller reports very little rust and only a minor dent in the roof. The short bed stepside configuration remains one of the most sought-after variations of the first-generation C10 lineup. Given its originality and overall condition, this truck could become a valuable restoration candidate. Number 10. 1968 International 1200 V8, $4,000, Costa Mesa, California. The 1968 International 1200 is a rugged and often overlooked classic pickup. Powered by a V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it reflects International Harvester's reputation for building durable work vehicles designed for demanding agricultural and commercial use. The seller notes that most mechanical systems, including the clutch assembly, have been replaced. While the speedometer and fuel gauge are inoperative, the truck runs and offers a solid platform for continued improvement. International pickups continue to attract collectors seeking something different from the traditional Ford and Chevrolet choices. Number 11. 1979 Dodge Custom 100, $3,000, Spring Valley, California. This 1979 Dodge Custom 100 presents an affordable entry into classic Mopar truck ownership. Under the hood sits the dependable 318 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Additional upgrades include vintage air climate components, MSD ignition, power steering, and power brakes. The truck reportedly runs well but requires restoration work and has expired registration. Dodge pickups from the late 1970s are becoming increasingly collectible due to their distinctive styling and relative rarity compared to Ford and Chevrolet competitors. This example offers a solid foundation for a budget-friendly project. Number 12. 1935 Chevrolet pickup, $12,000, Montrose, Colorado. This 1935 Chevrolet pickup is a pre-war classic that combines originality with extensive mechanical improvements. The truck features a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine, new wiring, refreshed interior, nearly new tires, and a new battery. The body is rust-free and currently wears primer over older paint, giving the next owner flexibility to complete cosmetic restoration according to personal preference. Trucks from the mid-1930s represent an important era in American automotive history, and running examples with solid bodies are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Number 13. 1977 Ford Transit Diesel, $4,500, Tarzana, California. This unusual 1977 Ford Transit may be one of the rarest vehicles on this list. Built by Ford Germany and imported to the United States in 2006, it offers a unique opportunity for collectors interested in European commercial vehicles. Powered by a 4-cylinder diesel engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it remains in running and driving condition. The van has reportedly appeared in numerous films, television productions, and commercials over the last 2 decades. Its rarity, documented history, and California title make it an especially interesting collectible. Number 14. 1985 Ford F-150, $2,100, Martinez, California. This 1985 Ford F-150 is offered as a restoration project and includes a truck rack. The odometer shows 63,000 miles, although actual mileage is unknown due to rollover. The truck has reportedly not run for approximately 4 years and is being sold without a title. Despite these challenges, the F-Series remains one of the most popular truck lines ever produced, ensuring excellent parts availability and strong enthusiast support. For buyers seeking a budget-friendly project or donor vehicle, this truck may be worth consideration. Number 15. 1985 Ford F-250 6.9 Diesel 4x4, $4,000, Custer, Washington. This 1985 Ford F-250 features the highly respected 6.9-liter International Harvester diesel engine, a power plant known for its durability and simplicity. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and a 4-speed manual transmission, it represents a classic heavy-duty Ford work truck configuration. The truck reportedly ran and drove very well before developing a head gasket issue. The seller believes the engine may require cylinder head repairs, though the engine still starts and idles. With only about 85,000 miles, believed to be original, minimal rust, and a history of careful ownership, this truck offers significant potential for diesel enthusiasts willing to complete the necessary repairs.